Hi, my name is Aidan Crawford, and I am the owner of Short Circuit Media. Next week, I will be doing a presentation to the Port Credit BIA DIY marketing for small business. This is a fork of what I usually work on, which is marketing for trainers, consultants, and professional speakers. This is going to be a short program, but I'm going to try and pack in as much as I can so that everybody is going to not only learn something, but take something home that they can apply right away to their business to hopefully make it grow a little bit faster in 2018. I'm going to talk about how to define your audience properly, because that is the core of every successful marketing program. Then where do you find your audience? And then marketing to those audiences effectively. So there's three big ones, but then I'm going to talk about a fourth one if I have time, and if I don't have time, I will be posting it online for you to see, which is a run through of a killer app on LinkedIn, which will get you right in front of your targeted audience quicker than any other way you're going to do it. Plus, nobody else is using it, so you get a head start on your competition for it. So I'm really hoping that everybody comes by next Thursday on the 15th and says hello. I will be posting additional resources at shortcircuitmedia.com/PCBIA. Again, that's shortcircuitmedia.com/PCBIA. And I'm going to have some resources and links to things I talk about, and I'll eventually be putting the copy deck from my presentation there as well. So I'm looking forward to seeing everybody next week. And yeah, let's make this a good one.